Hello, it's Christian with Mate. The Apple TV is an amazing device for enjoying TV, movies, and music. It's also great for playing all types of games. There are party games for large groups. One of our favorites is Fibbage, where you submit false answers to questions, trying to trick others into picking it as the truth. Sketch Party is another great Pictionary-style party game, where you draw on your iPhone or iPad and it displays on the TV. The Siri remote is great for driving games, which there are many of. We like Asphalt 9 for its intense gameplay and speed. You can also play many of these games with a Bluetooth controller, such as the SteelSeries Nimbus. Puzzle games are another favorite on the Apple TV. Lumino City is as fun as it is beautiful. Everything is handmade and then scanned into this digital world. ShadowMatic is another great puzzle game where you change the orientation of objects to reveal hidden silhouettes in their shadows. There are thousands of games to check out for an endless supply of entertainment. Thanks, and have a great day. Check out the plus sign in the Mate app for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.